the dictator one, like.
Does he have the? I mean, this is not. This is also not the real classic costume that he had like on the previous games.
Ah yeah,
Does he
yeah,
have
but
the-
no, but I prefer this one. I didn't like Bison's outfit in what was it in 4?
Yeah, Street Fighter 4. Yeah, this one has looks better, and I think with the, with the white hair and so, does make him a bit more, I don't know,
Grandpa.
threatening, I guess.
What?
Oh, the shimmy! Already stunned? No Vega though.
Oh man, I forgot everything.
Vega got buffed. There are now people who say that Vega might be top 10, actually. I have to look up who said it, because people will comment on it.
Top 10? Maybe.
Yeah, I've seen some people say it.
I think it's pretty good now, yeah. Not necessarily top 10, I would say, but...
Ouch, ouch. Ow.
I'm
Damn.
so beautiful.
Wow, that's some damage.
No.
When there are so many tailors, you have to write the year.
He knows. No!
No, I thought it was a cross up.
No. I actually don't know if it's cross-up or not, so if I don't know, you don't know.
Dang.
Vega. Vega doesn't have good anti-air.
But the player can have good end.
Yep.
So I can jump on you, what?
No, the mixer.
Just try.
Okay,
What?
no fast motion at this time.
Oh yeah.
Yo, the pink matador. The Palermo colors.
Palermo.
Palermo, it's a team, an Italian football team, which always has pink and black. Colors.
No! Why would I do this though?
Palermo is also a city, but yeah. Pink.
Ooh. I don't have any confirms in this game.
Wabba baba, I'm in the pink today. That's
No!
that's actually a win quote from Fatal Fury. Wabba baba, I'm in the pink today.
I pressed the button!
Stun. I think it must be a big contrast playing against Bison and then Vega, the one with the slowest walk animation and the one with the with the fastest.
Is he the slowest Bison?
Bison is,
like-
Bison is one of the slowest. One of the slowest, and don't think
Yeah, okay.
Oh god! That wake up animation!
I can imagine that Abigail is now slow, but don't quote me on that. Sulfura might know, but he's concentrated now.
I think so, yeah. I think you can tell by his voice that he's...
Yeah. Salty Sulf is coming out. Let me out! Ah. There's too much water, I want to absorb and salt. What? Nice. La pressure, no! Come on, Mike. No! You gotta react to that shit. This is gonna take long.
Over the head. The princess.
Vega is...
Vega is silent.
The Vega did everything right. I mean, I play Yoshi in tag.
I hate first ones against Mike.
I jinxed it.
Cammy.
Tammy.
Culobullement.
I had a Cammy,
Take throw.
but I can only play Cammy season 1, so.
Just like my Chun-Li.
That
The cow. I want to touch the cow. What?
For those
Huh?
who I wish to protect,
Yeah,
I will
that's what she
fight
said.
you.
Low.
I'm president of the world, of the earth.
What?
Round one.
Stop punish, but with. Okay. Slowly coming back.
You playing on stick, Actorus?
Yeah.
Fancy.
Okay, that was.
Oh. Okay. La rage.
No!
Naranj. Shoutouts to Sakura's little brother. Oh.
Ah!
Sakura's brother is playing a
That's
good
not-
Capcom game.
What? You play Wild School. You play Alpha 2 because this is stage from Alpha 2.
Ah, true.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Don't jump on. Oof.
I mean, Actorus's anti-airs are on point.
Yeah.
That's why I was amazed the other day. You said, "Oh, this Ryu is jumping in on me." I'm like, just anti-air though. Oh, the cute Shiba Inu.
Cross-ups are really hard to.
Okay, it's a cross-ups then.
So and Silver Ryu. What I like to do is like they put you on knockdown, and then on your wake up they do a cross-up. So
Okay,
they
I
keep
see.
you in that cross-up situation all the time.
So, oh, unfortunately.
I saw you jump in and I fuck.
You mean the meaty?
I was supposed to jump. I just got. Yeah. Ah.
President of the world? You must be joking. God save the Queen, Cammy.
Huh?
She's British.
Is she
Huh?
British?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Actually, she's Italian because we married last time.
Oh my god! Oh my goodness!
Oh my god.
You know I gotta be creepy sometimes. I actually picked random.
Let my beauty intoxicate you.
Random what?
As-
Your Discord is
Stage.
fucking up.
There's one stage that is more annoying than the Rashido stage.
Yeah, it's the motion sickness.
I think I know why everyone got those GMT those
Ah.
suits for free. I mean the how is it called? The skin? It's like a
He knows.
I know, man.
Street Fighter 4.
I'm not
You go way
sure.
back.
You go way back.
I will never be able to block that, just like Bison.
One time you will. Fuck you, man. Now with the range on that throw.
Look at him using that button I hate so much all the time against.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Drop.
He knows. He's just waiting for
Nice
that.
one.
He's my brother.
FTA.
He can read my mind. Right?
It's
No,
funny how he does that air grab all the time against his bro, but he never does it.
Because you don't jump.
But he always does it to win a round. I don't know why. Like always wins a round with that air throw.
It's nerves.
Yeah, I think he knows. Yeah. There's somehow.
No. No. Oh, it's not gonna kill though. Maybe. Come on. Yo.
Man.
Oh!
Okay.
Last pixel, I think.
That damage.
That's actually cheating.
Cheating?
That's cheating in this game.
Nah.
Wait. Oh, so they didn't change his animation with the hat.
No.
No.
It's true. Okay. This. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you- Cap?
Oh yeah, look at
Show you the divide in our
Tracks.
what?
Oh, the Crocs though. The-
Oh, that's a jump combo. And that's a me. Give me a
He's back.
Blue screen and everything. Bad.
Oh wow.
Spamello komplett abgehangen.
Oh.
Denk. Ich will nicht wieso, warte, ich gucke nicht kurz. Schmengend, weil einfach so ein großer Teil wird müssen, weil...
Oh
Also,
god!
And we're also recording, Alex.
Sorry.
So we hear you speaking that strange language.
The devilish language. No.
Yeah, but if you, I think if you record too long, it's corrupted or something like that.
No. He's just gonna grab me and show me that. What?
Yep. It looks good in the tracksuit, I'll say that.
Yeah, people are lusting over their wives when you got bigger in the game. I don't understand.
I don't understand. Because I got Vega in my hand.
What?
Oh shit!
So I don't need no Cammy.
Oh fuck.
Yo, destroy? Rochi.
Gotta get out. I gotta get out. Yo, watch this comeback.
Watch this comeback. Pew. Watch this comeback slide into nothing.
Comeback time, baby.
God damn it!
I mean. Oh, there you go.
No! I know I should have won! I should have won! I got robbed! I got robbed! You're so lucky, man. You're so lucky in my life. Damn.
Cause I'm lucky! That was luck though.